friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Native War Paints Sun and Moon, Ejiubas plus Opal Hazlett stamping plate, and a manicure requested by Miss Terlin. Thank you. I'm starting this one off with IMK Peel Ease, and this is Native War Paint Sun and Moon. I got this from Polish Pickup a while back. It's a really pretty acrylic. I love the color combination. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. And of course I'm making a little bit of a mess, but that's just me. I'm going to cap my free edge here real quick. A little blurry. There we go. Come on, come on. Gotta get Woody out. Y'all know I can't do them glitters up under the nail. And then I'm going to clean up the sides. Thanks to Woody. Hi Woody, how you doing? And then we're going to go in with the second coat of Sun and Moon. I was really excited to wear this one. I'd pulled it out several times to wear it, but I'd have something else go on. I'm going to use the American Classics Jealous to kind of fill this one in. You know, with that much glitter and stuff going on, I figured I wanted to smooth it out good. And this works great for, you know, chunky glitters or textured polishes that you don't want to be textured. So I'm going to use that as my first, you know, start with the top coat. But I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat so I can get all of this to dry down so that I can do some playing with that Celtic plate. That's what I'm calling it. I think it's got some really cool images on it. And I might not have done this manicure justice, but here's a swatch photo of Sun and Moon. And here is the Ejiubas Opal Hazlett plate. I'm going to use that first image, and then I'm going to use parts of this Celtic Horse or whatever on the other side. I got On the Black from Bases Loaded and my Maniology Gripper and my Monocle Stamper. I'm going to pinch those corners together and try to shrink this image just a little bit. I wish I could have got it to shrink a little bit more, but I didn't feel like going after it again. I'm going to put my stamper back in the holder to put it on my nail because, you know, girl's been crazy today. But I'm going to try to get most of it on my nail. And ta-da! So I'm going to clean that plate with some pure acetone. And I flipped it over to use the other side. And that stamper got cleaned on a lint roller. So I'm going to use part of this head of this horse over here. And, you know, my nails are so skinny and tiny that I can't really make the image look like what it's supposed to, but that's okay. Not everybody's got those big canvases to play on, so we're just going to pull this image over here. And I'm only going to do the 3 nails today. I decided that would leave me a couple of nails just to stare at with the polish. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess off of my skin. It didn't get all of it up, but it's got a lot of it up, so pretty happy about that. And I am going to go in and tidy up with some acetone and my cleanup brush. I wish I'd have like got that Burt's Bees cuticle cream like in some of these spots, because that black is just getting down in all the nooks and crannies, wrinkles and crinkles. Ugh. But we're going to do the best we can, and after a few hand washings, it'll be alright. So there we go. We got that done. I'm going to cover this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is completely dry, we'll head on to the next step. And I'm going to break out my little cleanup brush. Woody done rolled off the table onto the floor, so I just grabbed my cleanup brush. And now I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat. Seal this one in and protect it from all the hand washing and Germex. And we're going to call this one done. So I do hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to have 2 swatch photos because I got to show off that thumb too since I didn't do all of them. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this manicure. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.